Today we have a very interesting medical case study of MRSA that infected this gentleman's eye. And by the end of this video, we're going to show you the after photos after treatment. Here are some other graphic examples of MRSA. Go ahead and click away now if you're easily offended. So I'm curious to hear from you. Which would be worse to have, MRSA or just a regular sebaceous cyst? Leave a comment below. I'd rather have a sebaceous cyst because MRSA is hard to treat. As for our original patient, here he is before treatment, and here he is 4 months later, back to the baseline. Click like for that. So what type of video would you like to see in the future? Wart removal like this? Or would you rather see lipomas like this? Go ahead and leave a comment below with your opinion. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care and goodbye.
Sometimes I can't sleep, so I take Rest More at night. It helps me fall asleep fast and stay asleep. I need more energy during the day, so I can get more done and feel refreshed. So I take Meta 7 every morning. Rest More is an all-natural sleep formula intended to aid your natural sleep cycle. Meta 7 was developed by Dr. John Gilmore to boost your metabolism. Visit Amazon and try both today.
When you just can't sleep and you need more rest, try byrestmore.com, yes. It helps you fall asleep and stay asleep. It gives your brain what it needs, yeah.